Everybody wants to know the same thing. How do you actually make money in 2025 and 2026? Forget the hype, forget the scams. This is what's really working right now. If you need fast cash, focus on skills you can sell today. Video editing, graphic design, tutoring, even managing social media accounts. People pay for that every single day. Offline, deliveries, photography, event work, or helping small businesses with tech. It's not glamorous, but it pays the bills while you build bigger things. Now, if you're ready to grind for a few months, aim higher. Start content creation on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Yes, it's crowded, but if you stay consistent and niche down, the audience will come. Or dive into e-commerce, drop shipping, print on demand, or even digital products like ebooks and templates. And don't underestimate high-income skills. Copywriting, coding, social media management. These can pull in real money once you get good. Then there's the long game. Invest smart. Stocks, ETFs, maybe crypto if you're disciplined, not reckless. Or build your own brand, your own business, something that grows while you sleep. Look at the industries expanding fast. Artificial intelligence, renewable energy, digital services. If you plant seeds now, by 2026, you could be way ahead of the curve. Making money in 2025 and 2026 isn't about luck. It's about skills, consistency, and choosing one lane instead of chasing shiny distractions. Start small, stay focused, and your future self will thank you.